Folum Gaelic. Learn Irish. Ceacht a Séideag. Lesson 16. The verb on bríthir. On. On is used to ask a question. On goes in front of the verb. On causes the first letter of a verb to be eclipsed. This is done by putting a letter in front of the verb and changing its sound. Eclipsing rules for on. B changes to MB, pronounced M. C changes to GC, pronounced G, etc. Vowels following on remain unchanged. Abertí. Sentences. On Molan Ringo an drumma. Does Ringo beat the drum? On Gurran Fred on cat amach. Does Fred put the cat out? On Noonan on Choptawnya go lua. Does the pub close early? On the villain Gandalf. Does Gandalf return? On Gillen she alan. Does she cry a lot? On Bogan she on Tuaptaran. Does she kiss the president? On Chulin Shiad Hika. Do they ever walk? On Dr. Éamach Asanchak. Is he lifted out of the house? Knock. Knock is used to ask a negative question. Knock goes in front of the verb. Knock causes the first letter of a verb to be eclipsed. This is done by putting a letter in front of the verb and changing its sound. Eclipsing rules for knock. B becomes MB, pronounced M. C changes to GC, pronounced G, etc. Any vowel following knock changes to N and then followed by the vowel. Abertí. Sentences. Knock gregin tu in year. Don't you believe in God? Knock wasan she ort. Doesn't it grow on you? Knock nolamij alan cola. Don't we drink a lot of cola? Knock nihin ba fair. Don't cows eat grass? Knock davin nullag gutapi. Doesn't Christmas come quickly? Knock nienter fooder je. Isn't the fuss made of him? Knock digter Gaelic in Erin. Isn't Irish understood in Ireland? Knock gahin she arigid go ser. Doesn't she spend money freely? Knock gellin cock don runda. Doesn't everyone hide a secret world? Knock villain she go horse. Doesn't she return to Oz? Knock nyenin shiad turing. Don't they cause a stir? Sin Jera le ceacht a sé déag. That's the end of lesson 16. Slán agus nullag chuna. Bye and Merry Christmas. Phil Arish. Come back again.